Welcome back to Crypto Labs News, your home for market momentum, clarity updates, and those sweet green candles that let's kick off the week with a shot of good vibes and juicy crypto headlines. Whether you're Team XRP or riding with TON, there's positive momentum building, and we're seeing big buys roll in. We're also taking a closer look at the Clarity Act in the US Senate, what's coming or not in August, and we'll zoom in on some crucial price action. Fair warning, things get spicy, but you know how we roll. First up, XRP has done it. We're above the $3 mark, and those candlesticks are printing strength. That $3 floor is getting more solid by the day. If you've been tracking this closely, this is the move we've been waiting for. And yes, we even brought out the 15-minute chart heat, just like you asked. But before we jump deeper, let's go to your comments. Because here at Crypto Labs News, you come first, Roy XRP Warriors said. Crypto with Klaus has 49,200 subs. Pop-Tarts has 49,300. Sub-war incoming. Klaus, you're the GOAT. Appreciate the love, Roy. Pop-Tarts better watch out. Once we cross 49,400, we might just drop a demolition vid. Vulpin Lee jumped in with, if Tether's diversifying, something big is coming. BTC flop incoming. Enjoy your Sunday. We see you, Vulpin. Yes, Tether's diversifying, and it says a lot about market prep, Dave Trader said. Still number 15-minute chart? Lazy Klaus. Well, you called me out, so we brought it back on. Trading View, not CoinMarketCap. CMC ditched the 15 minutes chart, but we're keeping that view alive. So let's break down the numbers. Bitcoin sitting at $114, 689 ETH at $3, 600 XRP deep in the green, surprisingly in the red. That's strange considering what's happening behind the scenes. Let me explain. Verb Technology, a NASDAQ-listed firm focused on e-commerce and health services, just secured $558 million in a major upsized private placement. Their plan? Rebrand to TON Strategy Company and roll out the first publicly traded TON Reserve strategy. Yep, a TON reserve backed by real capital. Here's what they said. Telegram is the go-to for the crypto world, and TON is its lifeblood. With long-term staking rewards and potential compounding, they see TON as the ideal strategic asset. But while all that good news is brewing, the market dumped TON, down 7.5% to $3.40. It's counterintuitive, but here's the takeaway. Sometimes, the market sells the news before the impact plays out. Let's talk strategy. These firms jumping into altcoin reserves like TON, when do they sell? Are they in for a 2x return? Or will they hodl until 5x? We'll keep watching. Meanwhile, MetaPlanet is stacking BTC. Their target is 210,000 BTC by 2027, but they've got a long way to go. They're currently at 17,595 and just added 463 more. Let's do some math. 730 days left until 2027. They need to be buying 463 BTC every single day to hit that mark, but they're only scooping that much per week. So if they're serious, their buying is going to have to go into hyperdrive. Big money is preparing to ramp hard, and that's something every crypto investor should have their eyes on. Now, where's the Clarity Act at? We checked the US Senate's official schedule, and yeah, they're out. From August 4th to September 1st, it's the state work period. Translation, no votes, no progress. They'll be hanging out in their home states until after Labor Day. No movement on crypto regulation this month. Here's the kicker though. Even once they're back, the Clarity Act will likely be modified. The White House already said it. Needs work. That means even if it passes the Senate in September, it must head back to the House for a new vote, because it's a different bill now. Only after that can it hit the president's desk. We're probably looking at late Q4 for any meaningful clarity. Maybe October, November, or even December. That might actually be a blessing. Why? Because the fourth quarter could be stacked. ETF. Approvals, court case closures, rate cuts, finally. Regulatory clarity all timed right before the holidays? That's Santa Claus territory, no pun intended. Back to the charts. XRP's open interest is up across the board. Trading volume is healthy, and futures activity is concentrated heavily on Binance and BitGet. Lots of long positions still holding strong market-wide. We're looking at $113 billion in daily volume. Altcoin season index, rising again, now at 43 out of 100. Fear and greed index, 52. Perfectly neutral. That's ideal. We're not stuck in panic. We're not euphoric either. Just cool, calm, and ready for the next leg.as for XRP. $5.65 billion in volume, and we've officially bounced off that $3 floor. We tested it several times since August 2nd. The big shakeout after Jerome Powell's talk and the job report drama with Trump pushed us down, but we're back above it now. Those dips were just tests, and XRP passed both. That's important. It proves resilience, and that price action should give you confidence moving forward. Remember, when XRP dropped below $2 before, it came back strong. Same thing's happening now at $3. We dipped, fought back, and reclaimed it. Final thoughts. Yes, Congress is on break. No, we don't have regs yet. But here's the real signal. Companies are already making big crypto plays before the regulations land. That means when clarity finally arrives, the floodgates could open. You've got XRP above $3, open interest rising, big buyers stacking BTC and TON, and a fourth quarter setup that could light the crypto world on fire. So happy Monday to all you legends out there from Crypto Labs News.